3 a.m., the rain still won't let up. The shadow on the wall, it's not you, just us whispering. I type a message then delete it again, because that ding of a notification feels like a lie. The phone stays silent, the screen stays dark. The world is asleep, but I'm still awake, guarding memories that never hug me back. The light won't turn on, even though I flipped the switch. My heart won't raise, even when I whisper your name. I'm not alone, I'm left behind in the crowd. People pass by laughing, but no one knows. Inside my chest, winter never ends. Coffee's gone cold, bread untouched. The mirror stares back with the same eyes, tired and ashamed. I pretend to be busy so the emptiness won't show, but this room knows every corner has memorized my unanswered longing. If loneliness had a sound, it might be an old ceiling fan, spinning alone with no direction, certain yeah that never answers back. The light won't turn on, even though I've changed the bulb. Open rug grow, even though I water it with prayers. I'm not alone, I forgot it among thousands of stories. Even the sky doesn't care, its stars die one by one, just for me. I'm not asking to be saved, I just want someone to know that my silence isn't peace, it's a scream.